It's a certified 2016 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.